Me and LJ eating sushi. How do you think about it? It's like raw salmon. We got some ninja roll. Ninja roll. I need a drink.
Hey, fuck off.
What?
That's my Asian iced tea.
After that ninja roll, I need some food. Hold it for a second while I just stuff on mine. Okay, is that mine?
Yeah.
You gonna eat that?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna eat them. Get your.
That does taste so bad.
Covered in soy sauce. You gotta try soy sauce.
It's Asian sauce, not soy sauce.
They gave us a dollar store bag. They gave us a dollar store bag. Eat your chink food.
That was racist.
I'm sorry. Eat your Chinese food. How'd that bite taste? Good. My turn. Here I go. I don't really want to eat this because it just touched the green stuff, and the green stuff is like soap. They try to poison us with some soap. I can't even get a hold of it. Bad Chinese people out there.
But you're not using your chopsticks right.
How do I use the chopsticks right? Teach me right now.
Right. Take the top one, put it between your thumb and your index finger.
That?
Put it like this. Put your index finger.
I got it. Damn it!
Like this. Put it flat against it. I'm gonna take this one, rest it there, and it's on your thumb too. No. How did you not do it?
I don't know.
No. Like I'm not even Asian and I can do it.
That's so racist.
I know. I can pick up a piece of rice with this.
I got it.
Look at that.
I can smell it. What the hell is this anyways?
I think it's crab. He ate it.
It's like soap.
He ate the Asian stuff.
Do you want the last piece?
No.
Why do we get Asian food?
Because you wanted it. Go for it.
Show them that. I agree.
Don't get your Asian spit on it.
Ready? Oh. Smell it.
I already.
Kind of screwed up my Asian food. Two-handed. That was more tasty than the mall.
We ate all our Asian food except for that stuff.
You think it's soap?
It looks like pile of shit. That's green.
It tastes like shit.
Looks like bird shit. Ninja roll.
Ninja roll. We get some ninja food. We ate what ninjas eat.
We just ate the ninja rolls.
Tastes like shit.
Don't get your ninja spit on me.
Tastes like ninja shit. Well, we just made some Chinese food. Real Chinese food, not that Asian deep fried crap. We ate sushi. How did ninja roll taste like?
It was actually okay.
Besides the fact that almost made us gag a couple times. Huh?
I didn't gag.
I gagged. Well, tell them how you like that. You liked it or no? Would you eat it again?
It was okay.
So would you eat it again? I'd eat it again if it wasn't for the fish on it.
Should have got that soy stuff.
Yeah. Well, it's first time eating Chinese sushi food.
Asian.
Asian food. It was good. It'd be better if that soapy green shit wasn't on it. But that's a bot. God damn it.